Descent checklist is completed.
Belgrade, very good afternoon, November 178 Mike Papa, descending flight level 290, information Victor.
November 178 Mike Papa, hello Belgrade, radar identified, expect runway 30 in Belgrade. November Mike Papa, descent level 170.
Continue flight level 170, November Mike Papa.
170 set. $250 knots below 10. Approach is armed. Now reset the speeds. Speeds are reset for engine anti-ice on. Localizer alive. And green needles.
November 178 Mike Papa, established localizer 30.
November Mike Papa, contact tower, 118 is small one, bye.
Thank you, November Mike Papa. Tower, hello, November 178 Mike Papa, ILS 30.
November 178 Mike Papa, Belgrade Alpha, runway 30, clear to land, wind 320 degrees, 5 knots.
Clear to land, runway 30, November Mike Papa.
Bravo, repeat, DI area.
Turkish 9 November Bravo, takes to the active position, November 2, report to position.
3 greens, no reds.
Position normal 2 and report to position.
Before landing,
35
checklist
Bravo.
is completed. Clear to land. Full flips. Auto marker, altitude cross check. Speed above, approach is stable. 500 above. Approach lights in sight. 200. 100. Approaching minimums.
Minimums.
I'm inside, continue. Ground flaps deployed.
November 178 Mike Papa, send Alpha 12 via Bravo Alpha Golf, follow me at Golf.
Bravo Alpha Golf and Alpha 12, thank you.
Once clear of the runway, bring the aircraft to a stop. Flaps identified up. Anti-ice off, boots off.
Charlie 8 behind, follow me at Mike.
Charlie 8, follow me at Mike, and